Hello students, we are taking here a new question, 3 C's of borrower. It is also called as 3 C's of credit. Students, you are already knowing the credit score or CIBIL score. It is very important for the bank whenever the bank allotting a loan or dispersing a loan or giving the loan to customer or borrower. Bank check the credit score or CIBIL score. How bank can check the credit score or CIBIL score? Bank take some factors here. Which are they? These factors are very important. First factor can be bank check whether the customer has taken the loan previously or not. Second factor can be customer having any outstanding debt or not. And third thing, the salary of a customer or borrower or income of a borrower. We will see again these three factors. First, whether the customer has taken the loan previously and paid properly or not. Second, whether the customer having an outstanding debt. Means what? The customer has not paid the earlier debt or loan. And third thing, the financial condition of the customer or the borrower, the income of the customer or borrower. It can be salary also, it can be business income also. So credit score is dynamic and can change positively or negatively depending upon how much debt you accrue and how you manage your bill. So what is said here? Credit score is dynamic. Dynamic means what? Which is very innovative, which is very creative, that is dynamic. Or we don't know. A result may be anything. That is dynamic. When we take the risk, that is called as dynamic. So credit score is dynamic and can change positively or negatively. Means score can be positive also or score can be negative also. Depending upon how much debt you accrue and how you manage your bill. It is fully depend upon borrower's financial position, that borrower has taken the loan or not, he has paid on time or not, he can manage his bill or not. Means whatever the expenditure borrower have to do for personal life, if the borrower easily paying all the bills, all the debt, then easily bank can give the loan to borrower. The factors that determine your credit or borrower credit score are called the 3 C's of credit. So whatever we have learned here, that can be categorized under 3 word, and this 3 word are starts from letter C. That's why it is also called as 3 C's of credit. Actually, our question is 3 C's of borrower. The question is same only. The 3 C's of credit means 3 C's of borrower. And this 3 C are character, capital and capacity of borrower. Now we will look ahead for our first C, that is character. Very important here to bank to know the character of a borrower or a customer. How can bank understand that what is the character of a borrower or customer? Bank understand or investigate the history of a customer or borrower. A lender means bank. A bank may decide whether you possess the honesty and reliability to repay a debt. It is very important that bank check whether the customer is honest or reliable for making the payment. How can bank check the reliability or honesty of a customer for a payment? Bank takes some steps here. First, bank asks the question to you or customer, have you used credit before? Whether the customer has taken the loan before or not, and what is the condition of that loan. Second question bank may ask the customer, do you pay your bills on time? That it is very important to know whether the customer is making the payment on time or not, or he is making the delay to make the payment of any bill, house rent or any electricity bill or any bill or any loan. Third question bank asks you, how long have you lived at your present address? Means your address is permanent or not. Means you are easily live at your house. You don't have any problem with that. Fourth thing, how long have you been at your present job? Whether you are permanent employee, whether you are honest employee, whether you are working for many years for your company, it is very important to know the honesty of a person and reliability, whether bank can trust on you or not. So customer have to prove here many points. First, the loan capacity. Second, the bill payment. Third, the permanent address. And fourth, the job permanency. Our second C is capital. This C is really very important for the bank, because whenever the bank give loan to customer, bank check whether you are having a property or asset with you. Means if any emergency occurs, if your salary income stop, if your business income stop, then bank check whether in this emergency situation also you are capable to make the payment or not. How bank can check this capacity? Bank check whether you are having any asset, asset, real estate, property, investment or saving, or any LIC policy, any FD. So bank check your financial capacity. It is very important here to check the capacity. Otherwise, if the bank has not checked the capacity of the customer, and customer having any emergency in the future relating to job or business, the customer may not be able to make the payment to bank. Our last C is capacity. It is really very important to know the capacity of borrower or consumer. Bank will look to see if customer have been working regularly in an occupation or not. How can bank check now? Bank asks the question to customer. Bank take the details from the customer. First, what is your current salary? The salary of a customer or salary of a borrower is very important for a bank. The regularity of the salary, whether the salary is regular or not. If the person having salary, then it's okay. But if the person having the business income, then bank have to check really about the how the customer is actually receiving the business income regularly or not. Second question, how many other loan payments do you have? The customer having one type of loan, second loan, third loan, how many loan? Take the example here. Some customers having the car loan, then house loan, then business loan, so many loans. So if bank is giving the loan to customer, the bank have to check whether the customer having a many loans, and if the customer having the many loans, many kinds of loan, then in future it might be emergency that customer may not make the payment. Third question, what are your current living expense? Here the bank check whether your income and expense is in a right proportion. Means if you are having a good income and you are actually doing the expenditure also, and there is no problem at all for paying the bills, then it's okay. Next question, what are your current debt? Bank here again checking whether the customer or borrower has taken the loan before from any other bank or from same bank also. Last question, how many dependent do you have? Means if the customer having a family, if the borrower having the family, how many members are dependent on the customer or the borrower? It is very important because if many persons are depending on you, then it is might be difficult to make the payment on a time because you have very other responsibilities also. So what we have understand from all these three C's, that borrower capacity we have to check. As a bank, as a lender, we have to be very alert. Whenever bank gives loan to customer or borrower, bank have to check all these C's very carefully. Bank have to check the credit score of the borrower so that in future bank may not be in a trouble. I think you have understood the three C's of credit or three C's of borrower. Now here one assignment for you. Explain three C's of borrower. Just now I have explained to you. Thank you. Thank you very much.